Hello everyone, welcome to 9SEM. Today we are going to discuss about basic electrical concepts and terms of electrical engineering. So let's start. So three basic electrical concepts are voltage, current and resistance. So let's start with current. If we can recall basic physics, then we can agree upon that there are electrons in any conductor. Let's think that by some kind of force we are able to charge the electrons present in the conductor to make them flow. Then the rate of charged particles flow in a unit time can be called as current. To understand it better, think of a pipe through which water flows. Then the water will be charged particles, pipe will be the conductor, and flow of water will be current. It's generally represented by I and measured by ampere. So the second one is voltage. So when charged electrons will move, there will also be a difference of quantity of electrons. Voltage is that potential difference of electrons in between two points of a conductor. To understand this better, let's take a conductor AB. At point A, quantity of charge is X, and at point B, quantity of charge is Y. When current flows from A to B, then the voltage across conductor AB is X minus Y. It's generally presented by V and measured by volts. And the third concept is known as resistance. As we learned that current flows through a conductor, there must be some kind of opposition to the flow of current. That opposition capability is called resistance. It's generally presented by R and measured by ohms. We can consider the resistance as the friction loss experienced by the water flow in pipeline. Electrical power. Power is defined by any kind of work done in any unit time. Every electrical circuit consumes some energy to work. This energy consumption in unit time is called electrical power. It's generally presented by W or P and measured by watt. So current being the rate of flow and voltage is amount of charge transfer. Power will be voltage into current, that is P is equal to V into I. Power factor. It's a very important factor in electrical system. Quality of electrical power depends on power factor. Power factor is a ratio of power consumed by a circuit for work done to power supplied to the circuit by the power source. It can be said as actual power used or apparent power divided by power supplied or real power. It's generally presented by cos theta. To understand this better, imagine a jug of beer which has some foam with it. Here, if whole volume of the jug is real power and actual beer in it is apparent power, then the power factor of the beer jug is volume of beer by volume of jug. AC or DC. By the flow of current, it can be divided into two types like direct current or alternating current. When electrons flow in one direction, it is called as direct current. As there is no change in direction of flow, DC doesn't change its polarity and it can be stored. When flow of electrons change direction periodically, it's called as alternating current. As there is a change in direction of flow, AC changes its polarity and it can't be stored. Single phase, three phase. AC or alternating current can be divided into two types by the means of power or supply, as single phase and three phase. In single phase, there are only two wires as phase and neutral. Phase is the supply line and neutral is the return line. Power supplied by single phase is low. Most of the times, voltage across single phase lies between 180 volt to 240 volt. Generally, single phase is used in domestic purpose. In three phase, there are four wires. Three wires are phase and a neutral line. Power supplied by the three phase is high. Most of the times, voltage across three phase is in between 380 volt to 430 volt. Three phase is used in industrial purpose. Single phase also can be derived from three phase.